Hi, Mr. Bronkar. This is my presentation of learning for my junior year. Throughout my junior year, some things that I participated in academically were I learned how to properly write essays in my English class. In my AP Environmental Science class, I ventured through countless amounts of different labs and classwork, and those were very, very interesting. And in history, one of my favorite things that I participated in was learning about World War II in depth. And here are a couple examples of everything that I worked on this year. On the top left, you can see one of my favorite assignments that we did in history, which was about the real story of what really happened in World War II. In the middle is my first two paragraphs of my process research essay that I did for my on-ramp project. And on the right is one of the labs we did inside of my APES class that was designing a renewable future lab. Next, some personal goals that I achieved was I was able to teach myself proper study habits due to the fact that I had to study very hard for my AP test due to the AP test ending up being very, very tough. Next, I came up with many different ways to stay on task and organized due to this year specifically because I was at home 100% of the time. It was incredibly easy to fall behind. And then additionally, I managed to stay on top of all my assignments and I finished the first semester with a 3.8. And as you can see on this screen, one way I like to stay organized is I had separate folders for all of my different classes. And in those folders, I had subfolders, which made it very easy to differentiate all my different assignments. And on the bottom, those are some of the notes that I took that I used to help me study for my final AP exam for my APES class. Next, some career feats that I conquered this year were about the on-ramp project. I was taught how to create a very efficient and professional looking website. I was taught how to properly interview someone that works for a company. And most importantly, this project gave me some ideas about what I want to do with my life. Working with an AI and data specialist for Microsoft, it made me realize that the world of Microsoft might be right for me. And now that I have done this project, I have some more ideas about what I want to do and what I don't want to do after college. And becoming someone that participates in coding is definitely something that looks interesting. Thank you.